Welcome back to Travel Luxe World, your home for the most breathtaking luxury escapes around the globe. Today, we take you on an unforgettable journey through exotic villas worldwide, hidden sanctuaries of beauty, elegance, and pure indulgence. From Maldives overwater villas to African cliff lodges and Mediterranean seaview estates, get ready to explore the most unique, picture-perfect stays on Earth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a luxury adventure. Maldives Overwater Bliss. Our first stop, the world-famous overwater villas of the Maldives, a dream destination for luxury travelers. These breathtaking villas sit above turquoise lagoons, offering private pools, glass floors, and views straight out of a postcard. Top resorts like Soneva Jani, Gili Lankanfushi, and the St. Regis Maldives offer the perfect mix of sustainability, exclusivity, and unmatched comfort. Imagine waking up to the sound of soft waves beneath your feet or stargazing from your own retractable roof. Bali Jungle Villas. Next, we head to Bali, home of some of the most exotic jungle villas in the world. Nestled deep within Ubud's dense rainforest, these villas merge nature, serenity, and cultural charm. Guests enjoy infinity pools, overlooking rice terraces, open-air bathrooms, and handcrafted bamboo interiors. Properties like Hoshinoya Bali, Amandari, and the Hanging Gardens of Bali attract travelers seeking both adventure and spiritual escape. Santorini Cliffside Luxury. From the jungle to the cliffs, welcome to Santorini, Greece, where exotic meets elegant. The island's iconic whitewashed cliffside villas offer some of the most dramatic sea views in the world. Imagine soaking in your private cave pool while overlooking the volcanic caldera at sunset. Top stays include Canavasoya, Katikis, and Mystique, known for their minimalistic luxury, fine dining, and romantic ambiance. Kenya's Cliff and Safari Villas. For a touch of adventure, explore Kenya's exotic safari villas, perched above vast savanna landscapes. Stays like Loisaba Lodo Springs, Sagara Retreat, and Angama Mara combine modern luxury with authentic African heritage. Picture yourself sipping coffee on your cliffside deck, watching elephants roam freely below. These villas offer private guides, helicopter tours, and some of the most exclusive wildlife experiences on the continent. Tulum Beachfront Eco Lux, traveling next to Tulum, Mexico, a destination made famous by its eco-luxury beachfront villas. These villas blend bohemian design with natural materials like wood, stone, and palm. With beachfront access, private rooftop pools, and wellness experiences, Tulum attracts travelers seeking a peaceful, stylish tropical retreat. Popular villas include Azulik, Casamalca, and Betulum. Dubai ultra-modern desert villas. Now for something entirely different. Dubai's ultra-modern desert villas. These villas feature cutting-edge architecture, private desert courtyards, and infinity pools facing golden dunes. Places like Al Maha Desert Resort, Bab Al Shams Villas, and Palm Jumeirah Mansions redefine futuristic luxury. Guests enjoy private butlers, fine dining, and immersive desert activities like camel rides and stargazing. Fiji and Bora Bora Overwater Luxury. Next, the South Pacific, home to extraordinary villas in Fiji and Bora Bora. These overwater sanctuaries are famous for their glass-bottom floors, floating hammocks, and serene lagoon views. Top resorts include Laukala Island, Fiji, Intercontinental Bora Bora, and Four Seasons Bora Bora. These villas offer true seclusion, perfect for honeymoons, anniversaries, or simply escaping reality. Costa Rica Rainforest and Volcano Villas. Costa Rica offers some of the most adventurous, exotic villas in the world. Imagine waking up in a treehouse-style villa, surrounded by tropical birds and waterfalls. Villas in Arenal and Monteverde boast hot springs, sky bridges, and panoramic volcano views. Top stays include Nayara Springs, Cura Design Villas, and the Springs Resort and Spa. From overwater escapes to desert mansions and cliffside sanctuaries, the world is filled with exotic villas waiting to be explored. Which destination will you choose next? Comment below and tell us your dream villa getaway. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more luxury travel adventures on Travel Lux World.